let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Cha Cha Choreography with teaching count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with left to right hand hold with preparation step, and then we continue with split Cuban break. Then check from open CPP with Ronde Chasse, Guapacha timing, close basic. Again Guapacha timing, close basic ended in spiral. And we continue with 3 Cha Cha Cha. We end up in open position and dance Cuban break without hold. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we start in open position, left to right hand hold, preparation step, split Cuban break. We continue with check from open CPP with Ronde Chasse and start Guapacha timing, dance close basic again. Very expressive Guapacha timing, close basic, ended with spiral, and we continue with 3 Cha Cha Chas, Chasse lockstep Chasse. We open without hold and dance Cuban break in syncopated timing. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.